G'day guys, my name's Nick and welcome to my channel LowRangeNick, where I do videos about four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four-wheel drive vehicle. In today's video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change the front grille on your Suzuki Jimny. To carry out this job you're going to need a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a 10mm spanner, a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver or some sort of flat blade tool to remove some plastic clips. Now the front grille that I'm going to be fitting to the Jimny today is actually off a Jimny XL, so off one of the 5 doors. So this is one of the factory grills that comes on the vehicle, and now a lot of people rip them off because they don't really like them, but personally I think they look really good with the chrome inserts and that sort of metallic grey colour, and I think it's going to look really good with my chrome wheels. So the process I'm going to show you today for changing the grille is the exact same no matter what grille you have to fit to your vehicle. So I'm pretty keen to get this fitted to the vehicle, so let's get stuck into it. So the first thing we'll do is just pop the bonnet. Now we just got to come over to the driver's side of the engine bay, and this intake pipe here, we have to take these two 10mm bolts out. So what we need to do is just move that out of the way so we can get to some wiring underneath here. So now that I've moved the intake pipe out of the way, we can gain access to the plugs on the back of the indicators. Now these front indicators are actually screwed into the grille, so they will come off when we pull the grille off. So we just need to unplug the wiring on the back of both the indicators. So this is just a little bit of a close-up of the plug connector on the back of the indicators. Now all you need to do is squeeze this little tab in here as hard as you can and pull the plug connector back, and that should pop off. And now we can move on to the next step. Now just under the front of the grille we have these little plastic clips, so we just need to release these on both sides, and the way we do that is just with a Phillips head screwdriver. So just go in and turn it quarter of a turn either way, and that will release that clip. Now we can just do the same to the other side, quarter of a turn. Now that clip's released as well. Now before I pop the grille out, I just need to remove these two little plastic clips on either side here, and I can do that with a flat blade screwdriver, or I'm just going to use a little metal tool here just to get underneath it and pop it up. So now I can just pop the bottom of the grille out on both sides. You can see that's released now. Now that we've released the bottom clips, the rest of the grille is held in by these little plastic pot clips. Now these can be pretty tough to get out sometimes, so we are going to have to get a little bit rough with it to pull them off, but we'll just start at one side and work our way across the whole grille to pop these out. So we'll just work our way around from here and we'll just slowly pop them out. I might start from this side, pop this side out, just working my fingers in behind there. There we go, now we've just got some in the middle there. There we go. There goes the grille. Now as I was popping the grille out, these little breathers popped off the indicators, so I just had to jump under the car and find out where they fell. So it is pretty important to pop these back on so no water and dust gets into the indicators. So we'll pop those on now. So the little breathers just sit on here, so you just need to push them back onto there like that. Now it's time to remove the indicators from the grille. So we're going to just use our Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew those. There we go. Now we'll do the other side. Now because I am using a second hand grille from a Jimny XL, I am going to swap over all my plastic clips from this old grille, and I'm also going to take off these brackets. Now if you do have a brand new grille going on the vehicle, sometimes I'll come with new clips and new brackets with the kit. Now I've brought over my new grill, I'm going to put my indicators in, the brackets on, and all the clips. Now that I've got my indicators in, my brackets on and my clips in, now we're finally ready to fit this to the vehicle. So I'll just gently feed this in underneath these trims here in the middle and make sure that my clips pop up. Then I'm just going to pop it across, starting from the center and work my way across. Make sure the sides pop in. There we go. Work on this side now. Just make sure those clips go in the holes. I need to just push them across a little bit. This bottom one's a little bit off. Push them across, there we go. Awesome. And we'll do these little plastic clips here. So quarter turn to the right to lock that in. Same on this side, quarter turn to the right to lock that in. So we'll put the little plastic clips in here. Now we'll just pop our indicator plugs on. And finally, we'll put our intake pipe back on. So there you go guys, now I've got the new grille fitted to my Suzuki Jimny. I think it really sets off the look that I'm going for with the chrome wheels and those chrome inserts in the grille. So if this video did help you, give you a bit of knowledge on what's involved in replacing that grille, and if it helps you install your own grille, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and definitely stay tuned for the next video. Cheers guys.